This Coldwell Banker Reehl Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Rhonda Issei. Welcome to this 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Canaan Place subdivision of Daphne. With an open concept layout and a split-bedroom floor plan, this home offers both functionality and style. The 5th bedroom provides flexibility as a home office or guest space. Step inside to find a spacious living room featuring a wood-burning fireplace flanked by wood shelves, a tray ceiling, and large windows with transoms that bring in ample natural light. Hardwood floors run throughout the main living areas, while the bedrooms are carpeted for comfort, and the kitchen and baths showcase durable tile flooring. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and an abundance of counter space. Enjoy casual meals in the breakfast area or at the convenient breakfast bar, plus an additional island for even more prep space. A formal dining room sits just off the foyer, perfect for entertaining. The large primary suite offers an ensuite bath with a garden tub, separate tiled shower, dual sinks, a private water closet, and a spacious walk-in closet. Outside, the fenced backyard has a covered patio space. Storm shutters add extra security, and community amenities include a pool, stocked pond, and gazebo for relaxing outdoor enjoyment. All electric utilities make this home energy efficient, and its location in Daphne puts you close to schools, shopping, and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Issei at 251-990-6622.